The world is waking up to a new global health challenge. For many years, health systems in low and middle income countries have been overburdened trying to cope with infectious diseases like malaria, leprosy, and HIV. And now they have a new set of problems. Rapid urbanization, aging population, and modern lifestyles have changed the health needs of the world's poorest communities. Health systems in those countries are now battling unprecedented increases in non-communicable diseases such as cancer, cardiovascular disease, and diabetes. This has led to what is known as the dual burden of disease. At the Novartis Foundation, we are leading the way in finding solutions to meet this challenge. Two programs that exemplify our work are leprosy elimination and hypertension management. Leprosy is one of the world's oldest diseases. Thanks to widespread availability of multi-drug therapy and the work of organizations such as the World Health Organization, more than 16 million leprosy patients have been treated since the early 1980s. But more than 200,000 new leprosy patients are still diagnosed every year. We are working with partners in leprosy and disease elimination to execute a strategy to help interrupt the transmission of leprosy. The strategy has 4 areas of focus: early diagnosis and treatment, new diagnostic tools, surveillance, and contact tracing and preventative treatment, which we're implementing alongside partners in projects around the world. Hypertension is a major risk factor for cardiovascular disease, the biggest cause of death worldwide. And more than 75% of these deaths occur in low and middle income countries. We are working with partners in several countries to introduce new approaches to improve control and management of hypertension by making services more accessible in the community while empowering individuals to manage their disease. And our goal extends beyond just hypertension. We seek to build evidence on what type of delivery models and technology are effective, then adapt and apply them to help manage the overall dual burden of infectious and non-communicable diseases that low and middle income countries are now facing. The Novartis Foundation is helping to change the lives of millions of people around the world. We're a philanthropic organization pioneering innovative healthcare models that have a transformational impact on the health of the poorest populations. To find out more about the Novartis Foundation and the work we do, visit our website or follow us on Twitter.